ginagawa mo?
An all-new model of Nissan Altima was revealed. The 6th generation model features an upgraded 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, but the V6 has been replaced with a 2-liter turbocharged motor. Both engines are connected to a CVT automatic and front-wheel drive platform. The platform itself has gained wheelbase length, which translate to a more cabin space. The new Altima will be offered in the range of the trim levels S, SV, and SL in 2.5-liter, and SV, SL grades in a 2-liter turbo. Although not all the trims may be offered in the markets. Available new features include upgraded seats with added bolstering, an updated infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as an 8 inches multi-touch color display, blind spot monitoring with the rear cross traffic alert, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning and high beam assist. Aside from the usual smart keyless entry and start, full set of airbags, tire pressure monitor, and the usual power accessory and more. The 2020 Nissan Altima has a swooping styling, nice cabin materials, improved rear legroom, tech features, improved CVT, and turbo engine option. The bad things are, CVT is the only transmission option. There's no more V6 option and is slightly less rear legroom than some rivals like Toyota Camry, Honda Accord, and Chevrolet Malibu. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button, and comment down below. I'll see you next time.